When the lights go out, it can feel like the world has come to a standstill. But don't panic. Surviving a blackout is all about preparation and staying calm. First things first, you need to have a plan. Know your surroundings. Familiarize yourself with your home layout. In the dark, even a small piece of furniture can become a major obstacle. Next, let's talk about supplies. You should have a blackout kit ready to go. This includes flashlights, batteries, candles, and matches. It's also smart to have a battery-powered radio. This way, you can stay updated on any emergency information. And don't forget about food and water. Stock up on non-perishable items like canned goods, granola bars, and bottled water. Aim for at least a 3-day supply. Now, if you have a refrigerator full of food, keep the doors closed. A full fridge can keep food cold for about 4 hours if you don't open it. If you anticipate a longer blackout, consider using ice packs or dry ice to help preserve perishables. Communication is key. Make sure your phone is charged before a storm hits. If you have a landline, it might still work even if the power is out. Keep a portable charger handy, too. You never know when you might need to reach out to someone. If you have kids or pets, keep them entertained. Board games, books, or even storytelling can be great ways to pass the time. It's also a good opportunity to bond and create memories. Safety is paramount. If you're using candles, place them in sturdy holders and away from anything flammable. And never leave them unattended. If you're using a generator, make sure it's outside and away from windows to avoid carbon monoxide poisoning. If you're feeling anxious, take a moment to breathe. Blackouts can be unsettling, but they're temporary. Use this time to reflect, meditate, or even write in a journal. Lastly, once the power comes back on, take a moment to appreciate the little things. A warm shower, a hot meal, and the glow of your favorite lamp can feel like luxuries after a blackout. So, remember, preparation is your best friend. Stay calm, stay safe, and make the most of the situation. You've got this.